everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Tarte's Magic Star palette. This is actually what it looks like here, and you just open it up like this and it looks like that. How crazy is it? So it actually comes with mascara, eyeliner, lip paint, lip gloss, highlighter, blush and bronzer, two blushes actually, and an entire eyeshadow like palette. What? I don't actually know how many it's in here. 25 eyeshadows. This was $45 US. I actually went onto the Tarte site with the intention of purchasing is it the warm toasted palette? I don't know, but that was a lot more expensive and I was like, it's only a little palette. But with this one I got 25 shadows, and these aren't like small shadows, like these are proper like sized shadows. And I also got to try out their eyeliner, well, I've already tried the mascara, but I got to get another one. Their lip gloss, their lip paint, eyeshadows, warm eyeshadows and cool toned eyeshadows, and like the highlighter and all that sort of stuff. So I got to try out a bunch of stuff, as well as having a warm tone and a cool tone palette. So I thought, like, why not? And I've never even heard of this palette before, and I don't know how. It is limited edition, but I will have the link to it down below. And yeah, you just need to continue watching and see the magic of this palette and then purchase it at the end because it's that good. And yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let's get into the video. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm just like obsessed with the packaging. Like the way this is packaged is just like, wait, I'm not even doing it right. It's so cool. Like, oh, right. So I think I actually bought this for the sole purpose of I wanted to actually buy I hope you can't hear my TV. I wanted to buy what is it, the warm toasted palette, I think. I wanted to buy that, but it was literally, it's so expensive. And this was, I think, like nearly $20 cheaper. This was $45 US. I can't remember how much the toasted palette was, if it's even called the toasted palette, but this was like a lot cheaper and it had a lot more in it. So I just went for this and it literally is so stunning. So I think I am gonna go for a warm look, shock horror. I don't know, it'll really test the waters, I guess. So let's go. I don't think these do not have names on the back. Oh wait, they have them on the front. I'm the dumbest person ever. I am gonna go in with this shade, which is a very, very nice warm brown, and it is called Starry. If you can see that one right there. I wanted to do a round eye because I normally do very straight looks. Straight? Clean cut, I don't know. Look, so I did want to spice it up a little bit. This is such a stunning color. I could literally just put this on and nothing else. I'm gonna run this under my lower lash line as well. I am gonna cry if my battery dies. Then I'm gonna go and start going darker. So now I'm gonna go in with Fringe, which is this one right here. It is just a darker, it's almost plum-ish colored. Oh my god, why is my brush so fluffy? What the hell? Okay, I don't like this brush. Okay, hopefully this one is a little bit more contained. Right. Okay, that color wasn't actually as pigmented as I thought. Oh, maybe I'm getting it wrong. No, maybe it's too similar to the other one. And again, I'm going to take that underneath. Okay, then I'm going to go in with Genie, which is like a dark brown. It is actually on the plum side as well, but it's just a dark brown. This is going to go on the outer corner. Ooh. There's not a lot of fallout from this palette, which is so good. Then I'm actually going to go in with that big fluffy brush that I didn't want to use before and just blend all that. Right, so now for the lid, I wanted to do something different, but like this is just calling my actual name, so I don't know. It is this middle one right here, and it's called Majestic, and it just stands out so much. So I'm actually gonna try something. This could be the biggest fail. I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Stick, which I really actually don't like, and see if I can cut my crease out a little bit with this. It has an applicator on it, but this might be actually not a smart thing to do. Yeah, this is actually very difficult, but I am just gonna fix that up with a brush because it looks like a disaster. Alright, so now I'm just gonna dip in. Alright, so let's go. I'm just putting this straight over the top. That looks so nice. Whoa. I'm so glad I picked this one. This is so like buttery. Actually, it's so buttery that the Tarte logo is actually rubbed off on the pan. That's kind of funny. Then actually, instead of going back in with, I think Genie was the one I took, I'm going to go in with Joyous, which is this one. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner of that just to kind of blend it into the darker color. Yeah, that worked. Then lastly, I'm going to go in, is this a shimmer? Maybe not. I'm just going to go in with this stark white in the corner, and it's called Magical. Okay, so now for the rest of the face, I actually think I'm just going to continue with the eyes. Oh gosh, that just popped out. Okay, so I'm going to take, oh my god, it's the cutest thing ever. How many grams is this? I don't know. This tiny little sex kitten. What the hell just happened? Oh, what? Oh, I thought this was like a liquid. It's not. I'm just gonna line my waterline as well. I'm not gonna go as far as to do a wing because it's actually really difficult. I've never actually done one with just a black liner. And then I'm also gonna line my lower lash line. Okay, so then we also have the TARTE'S Lash Paint. Ooh. So I actually have this mascara and I really like it. I already have mascara on, which is my fault, but this is actually a very, very nice mascara. Put it on my lower lashes. I'd say as far as lashes go, Tarte probably makes the best, or if not one of the best mascaras. They just, all of those are really good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop some false lashes on, and then we'll move on to the face. Okay, so I've gone and put my lashes on, so now we're going to move on to the face. I am going to start with the contour, which is this one down here. And even though you can see that, I'm scared something's going to fall out. But this one right here, I don't actually know if this one has a name. Let's have a look. No, it's just called bronzer. I'm just going to take my ColourPop angled bronzer brush. I think it's a bronzer brush. It is now. Let's dive in. Oh crap, that's really pigmented. That's not what I was expecting. Nice. This, I honestly don't think I have a Tarte bronzer. No, I actually have never tried their bronzers at all. I have a Tarte blush and I love it, but not a bronzer. God, you take like the smallest amount of this and it's really good. Oh my god. Huh? Whoopsies. Okay, typical, my camera died. So let's get into, actually I'm going to do the blush first. There's actually two blushes. I think I am going to go for the shimmery one, which is that. They're kind of the same color, but this one is matte. That one's shimmer. So my ColourPop blush brush, also I think. That's such a nice color. Like, it's peachy. It really goes with my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to dive into the highlighter. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so buildable. I was like, at first I was like, okay, that's kind of normal. And then it just went, oh, went a bit crazy. That's so nice. And it's kind of like, not got a tan undertone, but it's not pink. It's very golden, but also really light. I'm loving that. Alright, so lastly we have two, I need to actually read what these ones say. Lip gloss. Okay, so one's lip gloss and one's lip paint. Okay, so let's put the lip paint on. This is in the shade Castle, I think. I don't know. Yep, quick dry matte lip paint. Oh, I like that color. Okay, I can already feel that. Ooh, drying. That doesn't taste very nice. Not supposed to eat it though, so I understand. I'm gonna give that a couple more seconds to dry. Even though, oh well, that's actually already dry. And this is in the shade Myth. This is more like a pink. Oh, what the hell? The brush is like blue. That's weird. I think these are actually supposed to go together because they're very matchy. Actually, you could probably wear this gloss on its own because it's quite pigmented. I definitely like it more with the gloss, I think. Again, I've never used any of their lip colors, so I don't know. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it came out, and I just love the fact that you can go from literally just having normal base makeup to a full face, lips, eyes, not your brows, but lips, eyes, cheeks, highlighter, and all that, all with one palette. And this palette is going to be so good for traveling. Like, it is kind of thick, but it is only very small, but it has literally everything you need. You have your mascara, your eyeliner, your highlighter, your blush, your bronzer, and your eyeshadows. So that is just insane. This was $45 US, as I already said, so it was 56 Australian dollars. I would absolutely recommend this. It's so good. I just love how small it is. Like, it is actually really tiny. So it's super compact. It is super just like awesome. And this is limited edition, I believe, so I'll have the link down below. Get it if you can. I will definitely be taking this with me overseas, and just in general, I love it. I'm very happy that I ended up purchasing this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this review was helpful. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!